Yes.
Okay, here is Alexei and Ben. They are both from Russia. They have been living in Russia for most of their life. They have been to Canada both. They have been friends from 5 years old. They are each 35 years old and they're fighting for the World War III. They have a huge chance. They've got 503 more people in their team and 520 more guns than the other team. So they have a very big head chance of winning. They are winning because they have killed 45.2 million people, and the other teams only killed 40.3 people.
Right, shall we cut to the... Oh, yes, great.
One is shooting with a machine gun, one is shooting with a blink. Here comes the bad thing. The back of the tank has the door full on. They are about to explode, but they're going very fast. They're gonna go, and then here is another sniper that's 500 meters away, and he's about to shoot a grenade at them. But it only explodes. It only explodes 3 parts of tank. They are still survive. They are going to come out to play on their own.
Dashan?
They are hiding behind pieces of the tank. They are about to explode, but they haven't. One of them shoots behind because they see one of the things. He shoots behind, and here comes their teammates on a plane. They drop off bombs at the other team. They happen to win because both of them shot 25 people in 1 minute in the knees, and they have died.
Oh, great.
I am Ninja from the villain. I am gonna capture the good guys.
Good.
And
There's Jack running through. Great. Oh, good one. That's good.
That's so good. And all over. And I'm gonna get the PJ masks.
Great.
And I killed them. They got dead.
Oh, yeah, great. And cut.